Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more than one photo or video in the same canvas on CapCut. So by doing, if you want to do that, you can just use the collage feature on CapCut, and here I'm going to show you how. So you can start by clicking on new project, then select the photos that you want to uh, select. You can select up to 9 photos, I think 9 photos or videos. Here I'm going to just use three, this one and this one, sorry. And after that, you can just click on collage and choose the format. I'm going to go with this horizontal format, and the ratio I'm going to go with 9 by 16. You can also adjust the position of each photos like this to make the objects in the center, for example. Okay, when you're done, just click on continue, and this will be the result. You can also add filter, effects, or any editing that you want. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.